Hi everybody, it's your girl Stina and I'm here with my first video ever. I have a GoPro and I haven't used it. We are in quarantine, so I said might as well. I paid a lot of money for it. So I need my hair done and my Dominican people, my salon, it is closed. So I decided, well, let me do my hair. So I got this product from Target. It's called the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step Hair Dryer. I'd seen a couple reviews on it, and some of the people who did it, they had straight hair, a little bit of curly hair, but I have big kinky hair, so I wanted to test it out for myself and see how it actually works. It's a power dryer, smooth blowouts in up to half the time, less heat, related damage. So we're gonna test it. Now I'm gonna open this. Let's see. I should have cut this. Ooh. What in the world? Okay. It's pretty big. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I'm so used to the other type of dryers where it has like the little comb at the end. But hopefully this will be easier because I hate doing my hair. So I would rather pay somebody to do it for me. But at this time, that cannot happen. So I'm gonna try to do my own hair. Let's see how you turn this on. Okay, on it has off, cool, low, and high. Oh, you turn it. So this is cool, low, hot, and hot. Okay, I'm gonna section off my hair, put on some oil, some heat protector, and then I will get back to you. Okay, so this is the result with high heat. It actually did really well. But my arm was getting tired. That's why your girl does not do her own hair. I go to a salon. Oh jeez, and I'm sweating. But it's okay. It's saving me some money. So it did pretty well. I'm going to finish up the rest of my hair and then I'm gonna let you guys see the end result. Stay tuned. Finishing up my last part. But so far, it's been pretty good. I have really thick hair, so I have to use high heat. But it's blown out nicely. My arms are getting to work out. I just got this left to go. I'm putting some oil in my hair, hydrating oil. It's the Golden Series, pretty good. Well, everybody, this is the end result. I think I did pretty well. It took about 38 minutes, so it wasn't that bad. I just have really thick hair, so I can't go out like this. I'm gonna have to actually use a flat iron to get it really straight, but I think with this blow dryer, it did really well. I recommend it. You can get at your local Target. I paid about $60 for it. Not that bad. So yeah, it's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And please like, subscribe, and have a great day.